Hey there, fellow dreamers and adventurers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly wild and transformative, the 10 Principles of Burning Man. Whether you're considering attending for the first time or you're just curious about this mind-blowing event, I promise you're in for a treat. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Burning Man? Well, every year, thousands of people gather in the Nevada desert to create a temporary city devoted to community, art, self-expression, and self-reliance. But it's not just about the rave. It's about these 10 guiding principles, and they're not just for the desert. They're life lessons we can all embrace. Let's kick things off with radical inclusion. Here at Burning Man, everyone is welcome. No judgments, no qualifications, just the pure celebration of life. This principle reminds us that our differences are our strengths, and that inclusivity can lead to amazing connections. Next up is gifting. At Burning Man, you won't find a vending machine in sight. Instead, it's all about generosity and sharing. Whether it's a handmade bracelet or an unforgettable experience, giving freely creates a sense of community and joy. Imagine bringing this spirit of gifting into our everyday lives. Principle number 3 is decommodification. No advertising, no capitalism, just pure creativity. It challenges us to reject consumerism and embrace what truly matters: people, art, and community. Think about it. How liberating would it be to focus on experiences, not things? On to radical self-reliance. At Burning Man, survival skills and resourcefulness shine bright. Whether it's building your own shelter or managing your own needs, this principle empowers us to trust ourselves and tap into our inner strength. It's a call to action to take charge of our own lives. Principle 5 is radical self-expression. Here you can unleash your wildest creativity, your outfit, your art, and even your dance moves. This principle invites us to embrace who we really are. Remember, your uniqueness is your power. Let's talk about communal effort. Together we can create things that are larger than ourselves. Collaboration is key, whether involved in building a giant art installation or participating in a drum circle. When we come together, the magic happens. Next is civic responsibility. It's about being active, caring citizens in our community. Burning Man encourages us to leave no trace and take responsibility for our environment and each other. This principle is a beautiful reminder that we're all stewards of the spaces we inhabit. Speaking of leaving a mark, let's discuss leaving no trace. At the end of it all, we pack up and leave the desert just as we found it. Imagine if we applied this to our daily lives. Picking up after ourselves can transform our planet into a cleaner, more beautiful place. Principle 9 is participation. This isn't a spectator sport. Whether you're dancing, creating art, or leading a workshop, every contribution matters. Participating fills our lives with meaning and joy. It's what creates the heartbeat of our communities. Finally, let's wrap up with immediacy. This principle encourages us to be present, experience life as it unfolds, and appreciate every moment. In our fast-paced world, it's more essential than ever to pause, connect, and savor the now. So there you have it, the 10 Principles of Burning Man. These aren't just tenets for a week in the desert. They're guiding lights to enrich our everyday lives. Remember, whether you choose to attend Burning Man or not, embracing these principles can ignite your spirit. Thanks for joining me on this colorful journey today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures,